Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. This is a short video on the BMW X1 and what we've installed today. So what we've added on to this particular vehicle is an integrated reversing camera. So as you can see here, we've got a Pro Fit wedge camera, and this is all linking up onto the BMW iDrive system. So as you can see, you've got a 6.5-inch touchscreen here with the iDrive setup. So what we're going to do is we're just going to start the vehicle up, retaining all functionality of the existing vehicle. And we're going to select reverse, and as you can see, identical to the OEM system, you've got the moving guidelines with the green and red grid lines. Really effective solution. This has all been installed within one day. For more details on how we can upgrade your BMW X1, please give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30. We look forward to working on your car soon. Thank you.